Let's make AdWords Flipbook. A at k at cat at fat at sat at mat at rat at hat. And then we do have l at flat. This is how we make flipbook for any rhyming string. You can add more AdWords in this flipbook. See you again. Bye bye.